What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Fling a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers. Big up. You don't know the thing, man. The attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. Some people, you know, that's a real fool, waste man, idiot there at Jamaica. On a real level, my people. You understand? And I don't know where them do this thing for more while than my people. But on a real level, you see how this is a same thing now, my viewers and subscribers. Who the attacking boss, yes, you cry like a baby and talk about say him never serious or just fun thing. This little idiot, little nonsense. Clown bag, you understand what talk about him? I go do this and do that. Officer, uno don't let it out, you know. Officer, uno don't let it out. I still don't trust it. So no matter how the same thing did a ball and I cry like a baby, you know. You understand? Because if him, people, me say me not trust it point blank. My viewers and subscribers, I don't trust that same thing. Me serious, my people, me not trust it. You understand? 1 million trillion point, my people. I don't trust it. Zane, because the way how that come on, my people, and I talk about tomorrow school is opening and this and that, and not only girls in my target. You know what I mean? This fish swim around, shark bite, whale. You understand this creature barracuda same thing, my people. You know what I mean? I don't trust it. My people, me say I don't trust it. So when it did, you know, and I cry like a baby, and I beg for mercy, boy, name plan for God lock up on this case, because police was the same thing yesterday. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, the police was on the unfit, because we don't see what is going on in Jamaica, my viewers and subscribers, especially when they come on to our females, and I talk about that thing. See, so this same thing believes, and you know what? The same thing come like he had no good for real, you know. Because the same thing they not hide, my people. The same thing was walking freely like say my go shop go buy bull or something, my people, or one bag juice. The same thing was walking freely when they spotted and say, oh, now the same thing that they look on it, you know, and the police then just comes and boom, radam. I will it, my viewers and subscribers. So I'm telling you, my people, you cannot trust these same thing. None at all when I see them same thing, my people. Don't trust them. And me, the attacking boss, personally, me not trust them and a straight attack for these same thing, my people. Because that's how they want to behave. That's how they want to carry their sell, my people. Come and go up on media and talk this and talk that, my people, and expect say, yo, we are going to walk past it. We are going to just let it go and make it slide like that. No, it don't work like that, my viewers and subscribers. So for him, when him feel like a peace and safety, a sudden destruction, radam. You understand, my people? Yes. No joke, no leniency, no play towards it, my viewers and subscribers. This piece of same thing, company media make things look so good. Make things, what a piece of same thing. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But anyway, my people, with their custody, bawling, begging, crying, you understand, my people, say it want to come out because whatever. But honestly, my people, I say me not trust it. Me not trust it. Even if you not let him go, officer, tie one rope on him, not even rope, tie one chain on him. You understand? 1 million feet chain. So anywhere go, any corner, put camera all over it, officer. So anywhere go, you have track on it. You understand? Put one tracking device on it, officer. We don't trust it. You see, officer, me say we don't trust it. The attacking boss and the attacking boss team and the whole viewers and the subscribers, them, we don't trust this same thing, my people. I don't. You understand? No, sir. All when it but I cry and I beg, I don't joke, no joke. When you go make that boy, you serve Lucifer and Satan and the devil. We are God Pikni, you know. So we know nothing to do with you. Only thing we have to do with you, destroy and get you off of this. You understand? You should not there and you not belong on planet Earth. You decide for there some other different places, but not Earth same thing. Not Earth same thing. Your piece of same thing, yeah. But my people, big up on yourself, you know. More love, more respect and more blessings, man. And thanks to love, the support, my people. The like, this share and every comments. And as I'm telling them, my people, a one team, you know, one dream, and a one scheme, and a one NEWLINK, and a one attacking boss. If there's no other one, that one there fake. Peace out, my people. Remember to do, you know, subscribe.